Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the different nationality challenge trend without paying. So as most of you already know, FacePlay app is a paid application. There was a trial period, however, it has been removed. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do this trend without paying. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and launch FacePlay. So now that we're in the app, we're going to scroll across until we see ethnic. And there are several different ethnicities or nationalities that you can choose from. However, if you're doing this trend without paying for the application, you can only use the nationalities that has the small play button in the upper right corner, because these are the only nationalities you can get by watching an ad. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I would go about doing this trend. So I've already imported the face, and the face I'm going to be using is Makari from Eternals, and we're going to simply select start making. So as you saw earlier, there was an option to watch a video to get free access, and you'd simply click on free. This would enable you to watch an ad to get the nationality for free. So once you've completed watching the ad, then you would simply wait until the face has been converted, and after which you would simply select save. So you'd go ahead and repeat this as much times as you want with different nationalities, and after which we're going to simply go ahead and open CapCut. So once we've opened CapCut, we're going to go ahead and import all the video clips that were created in the FacePlay app. You can simply find these video clips in your gallery. And once you've done that, you're going to just simply go ahead and adjust the speed and adjust it to your preference, and that's pretty much all you would need to do. So if you found this tutorial useful or you found it helpful, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the bell to turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.